Mm, I think it should be working. Yes. Let me just share my stuff on um, coming. Yes, we're live. All right. Okay. Think I should be audible too. All right. Okay. Let me just quickly share it up. Okay. Now I can start and then we can start. Okay. Where is the fucking draft? Story. I'm such a fucking boomer with Instagram. I just click on find it. Okay, yeah, I get this. Okay. Can we do link done? Okay, I think we should be good. Let's get going then. Reset time. Mm, do I have chat connected or no with OBS? My name is Shubham. Oh, wait. So what will we do? Oh, what? Oh, right, so that's it on the normal. Okay. All right, it should be good. Man. Test. Let me see if OBS chat is working or not. Yep, it's working. Good stuff. All right, so we're going to be building auth service. Actually, I've started it already, like 2 days ago, but we're in the middle of it. So this is going to be a microservice platform. I'm not sure what I'm going to build yet. Why is my stream running on my phone? Okay, okay, whatever. So I'm not sure what I'll make this yet, like what the actual app is going to be. I'm just building a microservice thing because I want to just practice building microservice architecture. So yeah, I'll just start with the auth. I started with the auth service because of course you have to start with the auth service. And after that, after this, I'll keep on building and let's see where we land. And then I'll decide if I actually want to build an e-commerce platform or not. Because building an e-commerce platform is like it's a lot of work. And I'm not sure if I'm ready to do that yet. Because the goal of this project was to just learn like cloud native stuff like deploying and shit and then using S3 buckets and stuff. But and then yeah. Next function from Express. Say what like I was saying this, of course, or yeah. Okay, I don't have Express in this. Also, I'm using um, PNPM workspaces for the first time. PNPM in general for the first time. I'm so retarded. Yeah, so I'm using PNPM workspaces for the first time to like manage all these packages, like all the services. So I will make some dumb decisions while trying to install packages. So please don't judge me for that. It's my first time using this thing. So yeah, PNPM and then I need Express. Need to filter it to dot slash services dash auth service. That should do it. Was that the or was it add? I'll try add. I'll try add express. No, that worked. That actually worked. What the fuck? Okay, I think I'm getting I think I'm getting a hang of it. Okay. Oh wait, shit. Okay, yeah, like, I'm so fucking stupid. I didn't need it there. I already had express in there. So fucking dumb. Yeah, see, I just told I was going to do some dumb shit and I just did it. And then I was happy about doing the dumb shit because I didn't realize I was doing some dumb shit. Okay. I don't need it in the services. I need it in the packages less common because this validator is going to be common for everything, like for all the services. So filter packages slash common. Okay. I should, I should do it. Yep. And this should be fixed now. No, should not be fixed now. Bro, I did install Express. So I think I need to start the test root server again. There we go. That's the slop control. um, is it, reload TypeScript server. Yeah, it fixed it. Okay, nice. That's good. Now what do we need is we need a few more things to import. We need to import. Okay, wait, what? What? Is it because it's on? No, I couldn't find. But why though? Okay, Express is here. Okay. Sudo control shift P again. Restart the server. Okay. I restarted the server and fixed it, and then what's the problem, dude? I added it to packages common, and then I have this Express thing was fucking messing with me for like all the services. Okay, whatever. I'll just route up through it. We'll find a way somehow. Okay, what was I building? HTTP, the data requirements. Okay. Uh, Express. Okay, I need. I'll just pretend it's working for fix it later. I need any Zord object. Why is nothing working in these packages? What? Zord error is there, but not any Zord object. What's that about? Okay. Zord type any what items. What I think I should just reinstall the packages like Zord and everything. I should just reinstall them because I might just reinstall Zord and everything. pn pm remove should be rm. I don't know. Not sure. Never sure. Remove. You know what? I'll just cd into the fucking folder. I don't want to do the filter thing when we can packages. Just yeah. The what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pnpm rm I think slash recursive was needed. I don't know. Express and Zod. Remove both of this stuff. Okay. That should throw it out. Yeah. Nice. And then I go pnpm. This whole stream is gonna be just me installing packages. That's funny. All right. pnpm I pnpm add express Zod. I think I have the types already. Okay. It should work now. Why is that not here? Oh, Express is also not here. What is happening, dog? Hmm. I am. Okay, now what? What is this? Like, okay, Express is here. I know it is here. Yeah, Express. Rod is also here. All right. Was using PFPM. Bad idea. I don't know. Okay, yeah, Express is here, and then Zod is also here. Express doesn't even seem to load. Okay, do I need the types for Express? Yeah, I need the types. But why though? Okay, PNPM. Add add types slash. Oh yeah, these are types, I guess. That's why it's not working. Yeah, okay. I think I'm fucking stupid, but the Zod thing should work. Should it be a dev dependency? My God, I'm so dumb. Okay, PNPM RM. That's good. Uh, that should throw in there again. Yeah, cool. Add as a dev dependency. Okay, that should be good now. Okay. What's the issue with this? Mm, Fine. That out. Mm, should be working now. So, I just opened Insta and I saw the most retarded shit ever. Good God, how are people so confident? Okay, no, it's bad. Shouldn't have said that. Okay, all right. What was I looking for? Zord, any object, any Zord object. Okay, it's not a simple priority. Question function. It is. This shit so okay. This this let's see. Okay, should I just use Zod object? I think it doesn't work in the new version of Zod. I can just use Zod object, I guess. Whatever. Okay. Then what I need is I need some schema types. So I'll just define those here. Just put this down. Okay. Type schema is equal to any just sort object. So yeah, sort object or yeah, that and then type um, record is equal to yep. This is what we need. Wait, no, I don't. No, no, this is not what I need. No, string. Yeah, that's good. And then the query should be string and unknown. Yeah. No, not the body, the query. Okay. Query. Yeah. Query should be that. Okay. Cool. And what else am I missing? Think we have this cool. And we have this interface. And then export schema, export interface, validation schemas, right? That's right. Okay. The inline suggestion of this AI thing is really fun. Like, what really good. Format error, right? Format the Zord error now. Format error, format error is equal to, yeah, it will receive a Zord error. That's not Zord error, that was right. And then it, issue, no, maps the issues, right? I guess. Oh, it does. It should do error dot error and then that should map. Like no, I'm gonna map that or errors, yeah. Errors dot what? I don't know what. Yeah, errors dot map. Now, why is it equal not existence or error? Okay, dot one. What is up with this new version of Sword? Issue. Is that issue even? That even doesn't exist. What? Quick fix. That shouldn't will not fix anything. Okay, errors. Dot. Okay. Got the error. What does this have actually? Let me just check. Oh, it does. Just have issues. Okay. I guess issues dot not issue. Yeah, that should work. Issue, and then with each issue there should be path you need to send back. So the path will be issues dot path, I think. Yeah, issue dot path. So path will be issue dot path and separated by joined by that. And then message should be issue dot message. Yeah. Wait, I should not find message to do maybe one message. What? Body, what's happening on message? No. Oh wait, I think I'm doing something again. Being stupid again. Okay, so this should be in, right. If I'm seeing it should become messages and then close it. Yeah, yeah, okay. Now it should be. Yeah, I should have popped that new message. Yeah, now it should work. Yeah, cool. Okay, formatted is good. To do validate request. Now we do get to the actual part. My God, took us long enough. Okay, export, cost, validate request, cost, then validate request, and then this should not be validation schema. This should be request validation. Report that, right? Or we did make that, right? Request validation. Oh no, we didn't. We named it validation schema. Okay, that should be good. Request validation schema, and then yeah, I think we are ready to make the middleware now. Okay. Yeah, I think this the okay, cool. Uh, try, try, see, okay. So you guys see if schema dot body exists, and if it does, we do announce parts body and see if it's doing the right thing or not. Yeah, it's doing the right thing, and then yeah, cool. Do I have 40%? Okay. No, please don't. Let me just close it for a bit. Okay. We have this. And now what we're doing here is we're gonna get. Okay, we have the parse body. If the body exists, we parse it. Cool. And then we're gonna check the params now. If params exist, if schema of params, then let's parse it again. Must parse params by the schema dot params dot parse request dot params. Okay, cool. And then we just give okay, and then we do request dot params. Explain explain the auth service on a high level. So we're gonna just use like JWT, right, with like refresh tokens and access tokens, and yeah. So the database, I'm probably gonna use a SQL database, so probably Postgres because I'm familiar with it. And the validate request thing I'm working on here, it's gonna be like used in all the services to validate the request. So there's like a generic request validator, and then I'm not actually working on the auth service thing right now. I'm just working on the request validator, and yeah, I guess that's about it. Right, right. Mm. Oh no, we have to specify the type. So it says request, and then inside request we have params. Can I do dot? No, I cannot do dot. Params. Yeah, this should work. Cool. Uh, yeah. Mm, what was that doing again? Yeah. Now the query, body is done, params are done, now the query. So now query, same old thing here as well. System request, query. With the microservice thing, I'm still a bit unsure about I'm gonna use event streaming probably with Kafka and all, but I am clueless about how to make that work. I'm just working on like this one auth service now, then I have to figure out how to make all these services talk to each other. That's gonna be a headache, but I guess that's worth it. Then I work with in the end. Query as this was as oh wait, I didn't store this as a query record. It should be as param record. Yeah, this should fix any other stuff later down the line, and this should be as parsed. The body should be, I guess, as unknown. Probably that's better to do it that way. Yeah. And this as did I make a body thing? No. Okay. Full stop. Cool, cool. As query record. Okay. That should go. That should. That's a query dot right dot most query request dot query is equal to parse query as request queries. So, okay. Let's just quickly. So after that, I think we're done with this. Done with the validation. And we do this next. Can this thing just shut up for a bit? Good God. I mean, it's helpful most of the time, but then it does that kind of shit. Okay, we do next. Oh, next, everybody. Next. It should be on to, and right, we just need to do the catch block now. Yeah, so the catch will go, right? Yeah. Catch, error, and this. What is this all about? I have some stuff open and not closed. I don't read on with this stuff. Oh, okay, we don't have one. See, it should good. Okay, we have the error block now. Okay, so if we're gonna check if it's an instance of a Zord error, then we're gonna throw validation error. Instance of Zord error, then we return. We do next. Also next we do new HTTP error. That should be my thing here. Yeah, no HTTP error. Code should be 4. Let me check the status code for validation error. HTTP build auth service for a product in my internship. Oh, you did? That's cool, dude. It's really cool. In my internship, I was working on like making a front end for like uh, school management system. I also worked on the back end a little bit, not, but not that much. Like the auth service and everything was built by another intern. So that's why I'm building auth service again on my own because I've been very rusty with my authentication stuff because I didn't build it for like two projects like at my work. Oh, yeah. I guess you don't get to like develop the OTP generation like this. Damn, that's so cool, dude. Real cool, real cool. That's some cool stuff. Did you come from Instagram, Cloudy Codes, or did you just join from YouTube? I'm not sure. Did it, 1 second. HTTP status wait for validation. No, no, no. I haven't graduated. I'm still in college. Validation. YouTube, I guess. Mm. Oh, you. That's cool. That's cool. I guess YouTube right now like does like push small creators to the pages of like new people. I've noticed that as well when I'm browsing YouTube. I'll see a lot of like smaller creators stream and everything. That's cool. Yeah. Saudi codes. If you have an Instagram or something, just let me know. I'll follow you back then. I desperately need to uh like connect with people in the industry because it's really important right now in this climate. So error, okay. Mm, I should do it right. Error and then if instance of Zora error next. Yeah, 422 validation error. Unfinished username. Okay, okay. I'll follow you back on this stuff. Yeah. Right. I'll do it right now actually. Unfinished username. Okay. There's a lot of people with your name, I guess. It's like, wait, unfinished. Let me see if I'm typing your name. ID correct or not. Unfinished. Using the name. Underscore. Okay. All right. Okay. I think I found you, or I'm probably sending a follow request to some random person. All right. Okay, let's get back to the stuff. Yo, Nandu, gaming, what's up? What's up? What's up, buddy? सब सही क्या चल रहा है आजकल? Let's come back. This thing come down next. Send. Okay, validation error और issue के अंदर format error. Oh, that was you, right? Okay, cool. Good stuff, good stuff. Instance of, okay, एकदम all good, सही सही एकदम चलो is it I'm missing something. I need to return the whole thing. This is a jumbled up mess now. Okay, if error validation error अगर होगा तो ये करना है. Okay, if it's a validation error, I'm doing this. Otherwise, I just return it. Yeah, it should be good. Otherwise, I just return. Yeah, sure. It was like real nice having you on the stream, dude. Thank you for showing up. Bye bye. Return and then next error. Cool. Okay, I think I'm done with the validator. I didn't use this. Didn't even use that. Okay. I think I don't need to use this Zod one. Okay. Okay, this should be good. Anything else that I need? আমার নামটা চেঞ্জ করা হলো। হ্যাঁ তো সেই কি বলে আমরা ক্লাস 7-8 পড়তাম আমি যখন কি বলে ইউটিউব ভিডিও বানাতাম মাইনক্রাফট নিয়ে তখনও সেম কি বলে ইউজার নেম নিয়ে আসতেছিল আমার মনে আছে সে কি সব কি বলে ইফ দিস হ্যাপেন্স দ্য ভিডিও এন্ডস অর হোয়াটএভার ভিডিও বানাতাম তো তুই কমেন্ট করতে যাও ভিডিও করতে সেম ইউজার নেম ছিল আমার। ভালো দিন ছিল ভাই এখন তো চাপার চাপ কোথায় গেল পড়াশোনা করছিলাম yeah, ব্যাস। Okay, now big decision. SQL or which flavor of SQL do I use? Lol. What flavor of SQL? MySQL like Postgres. Okay, there's few things. Okay. Mm, display capture add kori. Take a display capture and then window capture off kori. Drag this out. Okay. Acha. So we have a dilemma kind of. What do we do? मुझे आप टैली क्या है? Okay. Um, let's let me draw. Okay. It's either I use Neon with Postgres. So that's cloud. It's a fucked up looking cloud, but okay. Cloud. Or I use Docker Hub image and Postgres. That's gonna run its own container. তো নিজের একটা container run করবে. Container. Uh, পরে little like later on down the line, this will all be on the cloud, but then I'll have to manage Neon. And if I do Docker, আমাকে just Docker compose করতে হবে Docker Hub থেকে. So okay, let's just do Docker Hub Postgres. দেখি. Hmm. Okay. Services, DB, Postgres. Hmm. Postgres, password, user. Okay. I mean, I can try this. Never actually done this, but I guess we can do it. Okay. Let's try. What's the worst that can happen? Okay. Yes, but I guess we can do it. Okay. Let's try. What's the worst that can happen? Hmm, okay. Just switch to window capture. Okay. Nice. I guess we can do it. Okay. Let's try. What's the worst that can happen? Hmm, Okay, first it's a version. कौन सा version use करना है? Which version should we be using? Hmm, we have a lot of options. Not sure though. Just look up stable, Postgres, Docker image. 16. Okay, I'll just use 16, I guess. 16 or 17. 17. 16. Okay. 16. I guess this runs that. Okay. Let's, I guess. Hmm, okay. Need the Docker compose file. So Docker compose dot YAML. Yes, services. And then DB. Mm, yeah, image intelligence. Should I just trust the intelligence? Uh, I don't think I should. I don't know what I'm doing actually. Okay. I could tell it myself. Image, post, there's 16. I guess 16. Alpine. Okay. Container name of DB. Cool. Oh no. Just, just call it micro service platform. Auth DB. Yes. Good name. Good enough, I guess. Okay. Uh, It's like over environment collector. Let's see. MySQL করলেও তো use করে কি করে use MySQL was like got lighter. We need a password. Okay. Mm, Alright, I was lost somewhere. Okay. I actually went. Okay. Postgres password we need. A password. Okay. First environment variable we need is a Postgres. Oh, let's already give it to us here. I'm just gonna not do this. I'm going to load it from our environments. So environments below partner dot compose. There was you do this. Yeah, that's okay. And password do the same. Just do this. Nice. And we just do this. Yeah. So this is gonna load from the environments, and if it doesn't have that, we just have these as default. Okay. All right. What else do we need? We need. Let me check. We need anything else? Postgres user. All right. DB, that's done. So if I do the Postgres sources server previous, no, we didn't mention it. I don't think we need with optional environment, with optional environment, but yeah, these are all optional. Reduce trust, etc. Okay, those are optional and we should be good. Yeah. I think if now I need to run the image. Okay. Need to work on that. Okay. Okay. We need to do a few things now. See, this is how you actually learn stuff. You just read and you just get lost and you just read again, make some dumb mistakes. Okay, where is my documentation? Okay, pull it up. Hmm. Okay, how do we? Okay, let me check. I have no idea actually. But God, yeah, that should be the volume. Okay, maybe and pass the website for them. Yeah, it should be good. Initializing script, initializing in command. Mm, mm, What's going on? Where is my stuff? Um, no, this is not one. The volumes are gonna get stored. How will it get stored? Hmm. I'm a bit lost here. Okay. It's right and collector. Whatever. We just do command, I guess. I don't know. Like there should be I want to run the thing. No? Is it this? I guess it's this one. This one. Let me see a Docker compose. Let me see a Docker compose file for Postgres 16. Oh wait. Okay. I think. Oh yeah, I just need to define the volume now. Okay, there's no command for this. Okay, let's clear. Volumes. Volume. Okay, I should do it. Fetch data and then port should be the default one. I'll check if it's the right one or not. Port, 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 port. It's the default port for this. 8080. Uh, Postgres default port. Oh, okay. Yeah, 8080 is in Postgres port. Um, with mapping 532 on to 532 in the container. Okay, that's nice and all, I think. Right, and then now we need to define our network this is gonna be on, I believe. I think I should put port before this. Mhm. Port. Yes, this should be good. Then, network. Services platform. Network. Yeah. Okay. Now we go to this level or this one, I guess. Yeah. Then we do volumes. Gotcha. Or DB data. This should be cool. And then for networks, such a microservice platform network. Driver is bridge. Yeah. Okay. That should be cool. See if it's working or not. Okay, I'll quickly pull up Docker desktop. Sorry, Docker Hub. Do I have the display capture on? Yeah, use the display capture. Right. Okay. Let's see. I don't think I have anything running. There's a lot of things running here. They're not running, just here. Okay, whatever. Um, okay. What was I doing? Okay. I'm gonna do Docker compose. Um, is it at the root or is it? I think it should not matter. I'll just make a terminal. I'll do this. I'll do Docker compose up slash. Please work. Please work. So for it to work, it will not work. Okay, okay, okay. Let's just do one thing. I know it will not work the first time because it never does. It never does with anything. It will not. If it does, I'm gonna be fucking jumped up and happy about it. Good God. This must be an array. Bro, what? Okay. What I treat all this stuff. Okay. Services on TP ports must be an array. What is that supposed to mean? What does that? Okay, whatever. I just I don't know, man. God, yeah, I just know I should not define it like this. Yeah, I think that's the reason it's giving that in. I should do it. This should work. Please work. Please work. Oh, okay. What the fuck? Hmm. Okay. All right. I don't know idea what that means. Port must be okay. Images should be right. No, active post must be an array. Port an array. Right? Why? Mhm. Ports must be an array. Docker first. Yeah, and I have it as an array. So one port. What? Or hmm. My head's gonna explode now. Okay. Must be an array. Okay. Hmm. Copy. That's right command too. Let's see. This can this over here. And then I do this. Okay. Huh. Okay. Hmm. I guess. Look up some solutions. Wait, do I have typos and shit in here? Hmm, I guess it's a typo, yeah. It's not in file in my document. I am so fucking dyslexic, good god. This should be coding inputs. Is it like this? Um, is the indentation should be like this? I guess that's the issue. It didn't put a space after the dash. Okay, might be an indentation thing. Let's try it again. Okay, it's just compose. It worked. Oh, it did. Okay. All right. It's running. Let's go. Fingers crossed. Yeah, 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 yeah. Food. Let's fucking go. Do we have it running? Yeah, we have a Postgres running. Let's go. Fucking go. Okay. Got it right. Good God. That was that was so fucking easy. It wasn't. That was so fucking easy. All right, buddy. Let's calm down here. Let's see what I have to do next. Have to mix. Or do I use drizzle? Or I think I should use drizzle again. You're familiar with drizzle? Drizzle or anyone who doesn't know what drizzle is, it's a TypeScript or also JavaScript. Drizzle or yeah, I'll use drizzle, I guess. Okay. Okay, we got the database running. We made a validator. I'm walking really slow. I get really flustered up when I'm talking and working on stream. So I didn't get much done, but that's totally fine. Don't have to get much done. I just wanna just vibe around and make it. I hate that the word vibing and coding is just associating to with fucking AI right now. It's like why? It's like, why can't you just have fun, suffer and vibe and do it? Like, all right, you can fucking ask chat GPT. Or, it- and to be fair, like asking like the AI models, like I have all the stuff here. Asking those for like basic questions, that's I guess still valid because you're just getting information and like implementing yourself. The thing which is not valid at all is like building the whole thing with like an agent. Like agents are also useful. I'm not gonna pretend like oh AI every AI is bad. It's a very useful tool. I use it all the time with my work. Like I have my quota maxed out here for the month. But it wasn't like I used the fucking thing to like build the whole app like from the ground up. So I made decisions myself. I got stuck and then I looked at documentation, couldn't find anything what I was looking for, and then I resorted to that. And after it gave me an answer, I double checked it, tried to understand what it was doing, and then like implement it back in, like actually accept what it was trying to change. And that's how I think it should be. It makes you a lot faster. Like if I did this whole thing with an agent right now, it would be a lot faster. Yeah, definitely. But would I learn the same amount of thing if I did it like that? I don't think I would. I mean, if I just generated all this with an agent and then spend my time reading it and then understanding it. I think it would just take the same time as just writing it out, right? So it's cool if you use it for like making stuff that, you know, you truly understand what's going on. But if you're like, oh, you just started HTML, JavaScript 2 days ago, and then you're making a React app with no prior thing, then I don't think you're gonna get far with that, I believe. Yeah, whatever, man. Whatever works. Hmm. Okay. Should I should I be doing anything else today on stream? Uh, I have the DB working. I have to connect to it with the ORM. Okay. I have to find a way to connect to this. So let me just go to here. Where is the thing? Second. Is it running? Yes, it is running. It is running, yeah. Accept connections. Okay. All right, I guess I'll stop here and then continue later on. I have to find a way to connect to this. Okay, that was fun. Just got two major things done. All right, then I'll stream later.